the certificate of appreciation. The certificate is proudly presented to Mayor Artemio Mampura for sharing a heartfelt message during AMCOP Community Day with a theme compelled by the love of God to serve the servant. Your support and inspiring words have made a meaningful impact on our celebration. We are deeply grateful for your contribution. Given this first day of May 2025 at Macalelan Sports Complex, Macalelan, Quezon, signed Pastor Ronald B. Ligahan, District Chairman,